On Sunday, the Taliban surrounded the capital following the collapse of the Afghan National Army. On the same day, the Western-backed former Afghan leader, Ashraf Ghani, fled the country, reportedly accompanied by 4 cars stuffed with money. However, he wasn't able to fit it all in his helicopter and had to leave some booty lying on the airport tarmac, according to a spokesperson for the Russian embassy in Kabul. Ghani became president of Afghanistan in September 2014, marking the first time in the country's history that power was democratically transferred. Since his election, Ghani has enjoyed a close relationship with the U.S., which has pumped almost $1 trillion into the country. According to a 2019 study by Brown University in the U.S., Washington has spent around $978 billion in Afghanistan and Pakistan since 2001.